In this video, I will be showing you how to create a private Roblox server. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to go to your Roblox account. Now choose a game. For example, Murderers versus Sheriff's Duels. Now to find a server here, all you have to do is to scroll down and you can see here create private server. You just have to tap that one. The good thing is that we can create a private server for free. So all you have to do is to create a server name, for example, my clan 101, and then tap buy now. And you don't need to pay something here, or it doesn't cost anything, and you don't need to pay or buy Robux for this. All you have to do is to just simply create a name and then click customize if you want, or you can also click not now. Now here it is. So configure private server. All you have to do is to turn this one on, allow joining, and also friends allowed. You just have to turn this one on. So it means that it's not public. And if you want to add people for this game, for the server, all you have to do is to click add people and then type the name of that friend or user and then click add. So these people, these are the only members for this server. No one can join unless you let them join to your private server. And that's how easy it is to create a private server on Roblox. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.